Okay guys, today I'm over here at, it's called Client A's house. Client A has got that being custom wool rugs, okay? Wool rugs are hardy, they're strong, but what they don't like is a lot of alkaline. And really the best way to clean just about everything we clean, no matter what kind of floor it is with alkaline. And you don't, and what I mean by alkaline is high alkaline, anything past neutral, they just don't respond well. So manufacturers say, hey, we don't like you doing that because it has a tendency to make it frizz up, let's say, for simplicity. We're getting at, when we do the wools, you want to stay ahead of them. You don't want them traffic laning, because once you traffic lane, then we got to hit it hard. And once we hit it hard, it just definitely does compromises the rug, the carpet in itself. Doesn't destroy it. Doesn't mean you won't get 20 years out of it, but just compromises its natural beauty. So, when it's time to have it done right, give Renew a call, and I'll crank it up and make it done right for you. Whether it's wool or any kind of great synthetic, I always recommend the synthetics because they last through anything when it comes to any kind of carpeting, whether it be rugs or wall-to-wall carpeting. And the more you pay for the synthetic, usually the better you get. And the really high-end ones will last you forever.